Alright, so today we're going to be going over how to edit videos with Claude Code. So the first thing you're going to need to make the raw footage. Once you create the raw footage, we're going to get the video use GitHub repo and the higher frames GitHub repo. And those two things combined are going to help us produce our final MP4. We're going to do all of this inside of Claude Code. So the first thing we're going to need to do is, if you don't have it already, you're going to have to go install Claude Code, and you will need the Pro subscription. Also, the next two things is we're going to go to these GitHub. We're going to go to the Higher Frames GitHub link. This will be linked in my school community. Join my free school community. I'll have it linked in there. So we're going to copy these links right here. We're going to make sure we get the Higher Frames. And then we also need to get the video use GitHub repo. I'm going to have this one in my school community as well. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come over to Claude Code. Okay, we're going to go to Code. We're going to make a new session. So we're going to paste both of these GitHub repo links into Claude Code and just tell it to add it as a skill for us. I've already done this, so I don't need to do this again. But what I would do if I haven't added it, I would say, can you add this as a skill? It's going to add these as a skill for you. Okay. So now let's get on to the actual building part. So today, this is the video where you are going to have it automatically edit for us. I just wanted to show you all the video before we actually start working on it. So today we're going to be going over how to install Claude Code, use it on VS Code. We're going to grab two different GitHub repos and use that. So there's going to be some mess ups, and I intentionally messed up on purpose. So I'm just going to go ahead and go over here and paste this into Claude Code. And now I'm going to ask it, can you use the two skills, the hyperframe skill and video use skill, to edit this video? So today we're going to be going over how to install Claude Code, use it on VS Code. We're going to grab two different GitHub repos and automatically go, so you don't have to sell. Yeah, so if y'all a few times to actually get to this point, and there's a few things I want to clean up in this, which is there's a point, like, I don't like this caption part right here. The captions don't look clean, I don't think. And then there's another part where it's like it cuts words. Can you edit this video again and just touch it up? Don't have it cut out any words. I just need the captions to look better. I mean, I want you to cut down the words where things are repetitive. You can cut words if I'm repeating myself or if it sounds like I'm saying the same thing twice. So right now we're just kind of touching up the video that I already was editing before. With this, the first time you do it, it's going to be a lot more manual task going into it. Once you've kind of gone through and you have references to give it, it's going to be a lot easier, because now it has something to reference videos before, and it's going to know, like, okay, it's going to be more automated because it's going to know to do it how you want to do it from the reference videos you had before. So these first couple times will be more manual, and it's going to probably take a little longer. So today we're going to be going over how to install Claude Code, use it on VS Code. We're going to grab two different GitHub repos and use that to upload to VS Code, and we're going to create a video editor that can automatically edit your video, so you don't have to worry about doing it on YouTube. Yeah, so if y'all enjoyed this video, make y'all subscribe, join my free school community, and comment down below what videos y'all want to see next. Overall, that it's not animated, it has no animation, so that's what we're going to want to add. That's what I'm saying. Like, this first time you go through this, it's probably not going to be very good. It's going to be better if you have some type of reference video to give it, but at first, like, it's probably not going to do what you want it to do. The better you can explain things is the better output you're going to get, and the easier you're going to be able to one-shot it. Alright, so I'm uploading a reference video so it can actually see what I want, so this will be easier and it won't just be guessing. Can you use this reference video and make animations similar to this or similar to the one in the reference video? There was no animations in my video. It was just captions. It didn't look very appealing. So today we're going to be going over how to install Claude Code, use it. Okay, so now it just produced another renderance of what, we ask it to do. So let's look at it. So today we're going to be going over how to install Claude Code, use it on VS Code. We're going to grab two different GitHub repos and use that to upload to VS Code. And we're going to create a video editor that can automatically edit your video so you don't have to worry about doing it on YouTube. So you don't have to worry about editing them yourself. Yeah, so if y'all enjoyed this video, make y'all subscribe, join my free school community, and comment down below what videos y'all want to see next. Okay, so as y'all see, pretty clean, pretty crisp. I can mess around this a little more to make it look better. I didn't use this in VS Code, I just used Claude, so I said VS Code. It's gonna be the same thing. One's just in a terminal, one's not. There's not much difference. Yeah, but hopefully y'all enjoyed. I'll have all these GitHub repos in my free school community. Yeah, I think make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment what type of videos y'all want to see next. I'm gonna be dropping more videos soon. So yeah.